Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you the delightful Life Box. Do you want to see what's inside and what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my delightful Life Box for June 2019, and I'm always trying to find new and exciting boxes to bring, so that is this guy right here. This is the delightful Life Box, and let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it because this is the first time debuting this box on my channel. So the delightful Life Box has two different subscription types. They have the Petite and the Premium. The Petite is $29.99, and you get 3 to 5 products carefully curated to bring delight to your day. With a different theme each month, there's always something wonderful to discover. Seasonal and holiday themes as well. Items may include home decor, jewelry, candles, paper goods, and more. And the Premium, which is what I received, which was what I paid for, is 5 to 7 items in the same thing. Same type of goods, same type of themes, all that, but there's 5 to 7 of them. Now, you can use Delight for 10% off your first month's box if you do month to month. It doesn't work, I guess, if you do a one-time, but if you do a month-to-month subscription, you can use Delight for 10% off. And it says about their company, it says, here at Delightful Box, we are committed to bring beauty and delight to your day. Sometimes we all need a pick-me-up to make us smile and keep going. We know that at times we don't take care of ourselves as we may be busy taking care of our family, work a demanding job, or have other obstacles in our life. We wanted a monthly surprise package to be delivered to you with items just for you to take care of yourself. We're a small family-owned business in beautiful Colorado, and our goal is to make your life delightful. So let's go ahead and dive in. I love their logo. It is so pretty with the flowers. It just looks really nice and calming and just looks nice. So let's go ahead and get in here. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I was so excited to get this. I did receive an email a few days ago stating that one of their products, I guess, was delayed, so their box was a little delayed. So apparently they do ship out a little bit sooner than right now, which I'm fine with right now. It's still the beginning of the month, and I'm just so excited to get this because it's brand new. I have never had this or seen this on anybody's channel. So let's get in here. That is a really nice, pretty peach, like a bright peach colored paper. And it says Delightful Life Box. It's a loft box. No, it's a Life Box. Let's go ahead and break this seal. There is a card, which that is amazing. I love when they give cards. Do they give prices? No, I don't see prices, but that's okay. Not all subscription boxes actually give the value, but let's kind of see. Oh, so there's all kinds of stuff in here. All right. So again, this is my very first time, so I don't know what to expect, but it says June box theme is summer vibes. Here is a card. Look how pretty. See, that's their logo. Summer vibes. Enjoy your summer wherever you are. You may be traveling, perhaps having fun at the beach, staying home, working, or just hanging out. This box is designed to help make your long summer days more delightful. And it tells you what is all inside. So let's go ahead and dive on in because I don't want to spoil it. Now, this is all wrapped up. Like, what in the world is this? And again, I do not know what to expect. I just wanted to bring something new and exciting that not every other person is doing. So, is this a hat? This looks like this might be a hat. Yes. striped hat with a flower. Oh my goodness. Okay, and why is there this little piece of, I'm not quite sure why there is this piece of elastic hanging, but it doesn't attach to anything, so I'm a little confused with what this is supposed to be. But here is a hat, and I'm not a hat wearer, but let's see. Whoa, wait, what is that? Hold on. And then see, this thing is just like hanging, hold on. I'm just gonna cut this out because there's nothing that, I have no clue why that is there. So let me just cut that out of there. There we go. There is the hat, you guys, and let's see what it says. It's not a freebie, it's not glasses. Oh, hold up, okay, summer hat. Keep the sun at bay with this cute foldable hat. So what do you guys think? It is definitely my color. I love that mint green, like teal turquoise color, but I'm normally not a hat wearer. See, my hair does this every time. Every single time I try to put a hat on, that's what my hair does. If you saw my other videos, you saw the same thing. So what do you guys think? So here is a hat. Ooh, alrighty. I think it's actually pretty, but I don't know if it looks good on me. I'm just have one of those big domes that I'm not a good hat wearer. That's just my own opinion. Okay, so next thing that we have in here, and like I said, there's no pricing, so I can't really tell you what the value is, but let's see here. This is Flip Flop Lemonades, Blackberry Tart. Place 2 tablespoons of product in 8-ounce water, add ice and enjoy. So this sip away. Blueberry Tart Lemonade. Ooh, so this must be like a blueberry tart lemonade. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to try that. What in the world? Let's see, what is this? It's a package. So, Blackberry Lemonade. Place 2 tablespoons of product in 8-ounce. All right, so I'm gonna have to make this and try this and see, but it sounds like it would be like a blackberry lemonade. That sounds awesome, actually. And that's very summery. And look at the packaging, how cute with the little flip-flops on it. And that is just so cute. That is definitely summery. And if this is a blackberry, like a lemonade, that sounds amazing. And I can't wait to try that. So this says Blackberry Lemonade, a refreshing, it helps if you read. A refreshing, natural flavored blackberry lemonade mix for the summertime flip-flop lover you are. This sweet yet tarty blackberry drink mix is, of course, delightful. So I can't wait to try that. We do have a straw, so I'm assuming we have some type of a thing to put this in. So I'll hang that out to the side. We also have this is a heavy, this looks like a thing you put a candle on. Yes, this looks like a candle holder or holder-upper. So let's just hang tight for that because I'm sure we have a candle then in here. What's this? So it's all in wrapping. I like how they wrap everything. That's really cool. Is this the candle maybe? Yes, this is a candle. Ooh, it smells like Fruit Loops. It smells like a cereal. Kind of smells like Fruit Loops. Tangerine mango. It smells like Fruit Loops. So tangerine mango layered candle. Bring this summery scent of tangerine and mango into your home when you use this layered candle. We've included a candle dish too. So there's your candle dish, there is your candle. I love the colors. It's definitely with this theme of like the orange starburst colors with the peaches and the oranges and all of that. So I really like that. I like the little leaf on here. That's like a metal leaf. Look at that. That is really pretty. So there is the candle. It is looks like a 3-layered, different colors. mango, and here's the glass dish for it to sit on. So there's that. Next we have this little item right here. It's like they barely crammed it in this little tiny bag. That is cute though. Okay, so this right here, this is under freebies. We've included a travel size scented hand lotion as well as a little coin purse as our way of saying thank you for being a loyal customer and also having patience with our delayed shipping this month. And like I said, they did send an email saying that there was a product that was delayed, so it was gonna be later than normal, which this was my first month, so I don't know what later than normal would be, but I think I got it at a good time. So this right here looks like a really cute coin purse, and it's just all open in the inside. And there is, it's like a little faux leather type of thing, but there's the print. So there's a little coin purse. And here is a pomegranate luxury hand cream. Ooh, you guys know I love me some hand creams or anything like that. There is a safety seal, so I don't want to open this just yet because I have so many of them open right now. So I'd rather wait and hold this off for till I know, but I'm sure it smells amazing with the pomegranate. And those are under freebies. So that doesn't count as your one of your items. Now inside here, this must be the sunglasses that I already saw. So it comes in this little red bag. And here are the sunglasses. They look fun. Let's see. High quality sunglasses. Did that just literally happen? Yes. I was thinking in my head, these, and I hate to say this, but I'm always honest with you guys. I was thinking in my head, as soon as I looked at these, I'm like, I wonder, these look like these might be like dollar store glasses or something. And then as soon as I go to open them, it broke. So, I mean, here, let's see. How do you like them? What do you think, you guys? Like Weekend at Bernie's, which I'll burn. I don't know, like that's horrible. Like I didn't even put any pressure or anything. All I did was try to open it and this thing is completely, literally like broken off. Like there's no fixing that. They're literally broken. So, I guess I didn't need these sunglasses because those are broken. All right, next must be the tumbler. And how many items does it say that you would get? Because I don't think I got the petite. That's 3 to 5. The premium is 5 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. What in the world? I'm gonna have to go back and look and see, because if it's 5 to 7 items and these are freebies, then there's a hat, lip gloss. No, there's lemonade, there's a candle, and this. And the sunglasses. That's 5. So I guess 5 to 7. But holy moly, like, let's see what kind of tumbler is in here, because I'm sure the travel cup. Okay, the sunglasses says, be carefree and lively this summer with these fun red paisley sunglasses, which they're broken. So I'm not going to be having any fun with them. Let's see what kind of tumbler we have here. This looks really pretty. It kind of reminds me of their design, actually. It's like an insert. Oh wait, no, that was the paper inside. So the lid has where you can open it or close it, and then there's the straw that you can put in it. I do like, that's a really pretty, and it matches my shirt. This reminds me of their, you know, their design with the flowers back there. That's what that reminds me of, but okay, so we have a tumbler, a broken pair of sunglasses, a candle, a floppy hat, and some lemonade mix. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this was worth it? I think I got 3 months to show you guys. I can't remember. I buy so many different subscription boxes. I can't remember what I pay for, how many, like the how many months I end up paying for. But for $40, do you think this is worth $40, you guys? I mean, we have the hat, we have a tumbler, which everybody's like putting in like tumblers or cups. We have a candle. I mean, it smells good. It reminds me of Fruity Pebbles. We have a lemonade, and we have a hat that had some funky elastic hanging that I had to cut off. So these items don't count because this was a freebie because they were late on shipping out their box. So these items don't even count towards the box. So, I mean, I think it has potential. I'm really excited to bring something new, that's for sure. And I can't wait to see what they do next month. It's just, if I was you guys, I wouldn't maybe jump on board just yet. I mean, and then I don't even know how they broke. Oh. I don't even know how they broke. Okay, so enough with those glasses because now they're definitely broken. I mean, they were broken before, but now they're broken. So I don't know, you guys, let me know. I'm gonna write to them and let them know that these glasses are just junk and they're broken. I don't even know if they sent me new ones, if I would even wear them. I mean, I don't know. They look cheap. They just look like cheap quality. That's just my problem, but that's just me. And again, I'm always gonna be honest with you guys, and I'm never gonna be like, oh my God, this is amazing. Go out and get it if it's not amazing. So I'm not wowed. I still need to see what they're going to do to come up with a good, firm decision on this company. But I mean, I like the cup. I'm just trying to bring you guys my honest opinion, and I'm not wowed. How about that? So you guys let me know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate that. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.